Hello, Marianne.
Hi. Top operation time. Oh, look. There's even a pano roof right here, guys. Check that out. Fancy schmancy. Simple, easy top operation. With these key fobs right here, I can change the exhaust. So I have exhaust sound management.
And now you can hear the rumble.
Yes. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble! Woohoo! Does that sound good over there?
Yes.
Hey guys, good evening. Marianne here with you from AutoHaus of Naples, and tonight I have something that is super sexy and sporty as well as fun, and I'll explain that in a few moments. I have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz Sl550 Roadster finished in the stunning 040 black with your color code 801 black Napa leather interior. And this thing screams speed. I'm telling you, it just looks like it goes fast just by sitting here alone with the vehicle off. And you can see we have those heated, ventilated seats along with the air scarves right there for warming your neck while you drive. We have the multifunctional leather and wood green wrap steering wheel there, Harman Kardon stereo, memory 1, 2, and 3, backup camera, navigation, as well as your Bluetooth, parking sensors, keyless entry, keyless go, nice tires, and sport wheels. So we have a sport AMG package as well as those 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz AMG wheels. And you can see those right there, and the amazing tires. We have, I'm sorry, those are 19-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. I apologize, I just glanced down at the window sticker and I could see that. So again, parking sensors here on the front, and we have the 4.6 liter V8 BiTurbo engine producing 429 horsepower and 516 foot-pounds of torque. That's where the power really comes from. Super fast vehicle with the Mercedes-Benz intelligent lighting system, and I showed you the top operation already. We do have the panoramic roof that is very nice to have on the vehicles, and we do have some options to the vehicle, which are going to be the illuminated door sills, the steering wheel, which I already spoke of, the sport wheel package, which includes the silver painted front brake calipers. Once again, those air scarves, which do warm your neck. I find that a lot of customers don't know what that means, and that is going to be the blower for that, as well as those power seats, memory 1, 2, 3, and your illuminated Mercedes-Benz sills. You can see right there, it appears to be all original paint work. You can see, can you kind of pan up here? It has such a beautiful finish and shine to the vehicle, and you can really see that right now with the way the sun is setting through the trees. Just absolutely a stunning looking vehicle. And super fun upgrade to the vehicle is going to be the exhaust management system. It does not affect your emissions, guys, up north where you do have your emissions. That will not affect it, so do not worry. You can still have your exhaust sound management because it has nothing to do with the exhaust as far as affecting it for emissions process. Camera guy, can you explain or enlighten us on why?
Yeah, it's all done after the catalytic converter, so they put two motors in with two flaps. They activate it when you press the button on the remote.
There you go. So you can have fun and you can be a little loud as well. And you can see that automatic closing trunk there. This is the window sticker, and you can see right here, $111,605 is the original MSRP, and those options. The biggest one is going to be the sport wheel package there at $2,000, as well as that amazing steering wheel, illuminated door sills. It's just really a spectacular vehicle, and like I said, so sporty, and you feel like it's even sportier when you drive it with the exhaust on loud.
It rumbles.
Yeah, it sounds like it's an AMG motor in there. It's
yes.
Like pop, 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 pop.
Go out for a spin and enjoy it.
Keyless entry, keyless go, and ooh, I didn't mention the 49,108 miles, less than 50,000 miles on the odometer there, and for 2014, that is certainly spectacular. And there is your backup camera. I'm just going to throw us into drive. We got our cooled seats on because it is 83 degrees in March. So the end of March here, 83 degrees in sunny Southwest Florida. It's why I wear these dresses.
Yes, in case you're asking.
Yeah, in case, for everybody who wants to make comments, even though I don't really care, but I do have to do these in very hot weather. Just serviced by us here at AutoHaus of Naples. The owner is from Graz, Austria, or just right outside of it. And in case you did not know that and were not aware.
And I'm not Arnold.
And he's not Arnold
I wish
either.
I would have his money.
Although I like to just call him my cameraman. My cameraman is the owner of the dealership. Surprise! He's not just some paid camera guy.
Yeah. That would be nice, huh?
Yeah, right? Mechanic by trade, mechanic by heart, and definitely hand selects every vehicle that we have and is super passionate about it. You're not going to get garbage from us. If you don't believe us, go and look at our reviews. Just Google AutoHaus Naples reviews.
Look at only the good ones. Because there's always a couple.
Well, we're a used car dealership, so to have 5 stars.
I like the guy who never bought anything would leave a bad review.
Those are almost the only ones, like the ones you just
yeah.
I don't know. I don't get it.
They never did business with us, but they just leave us a bad review because they just feel like.
And they say that too.
Yeah.
They say, oh,
I never bought anything.
never bought anything, but.
But I just don't like how Peter speaks.
Yeah.
Or they didn't make me a deal.
Yeah,
that's
right.
what I like.
Yeah.
Hard to deal with.
Hard to. Oh, hard to.
We're gonna give it away. We're gonna service it. We hand select it.
Yeah. They're probably given everything their whole life. That's their problem.
Then we're gonna give it away.
Yes.
No, you gotta get a good value. If you look for value, we're in the right place.
We don't just wash our cars and put them out in the lot.
That's for sure.
Otherwise, we wouldn't have AutoHaus Naples oil change sticker there for you.
Yeah, my mechanics, they like to eat well.
I like to call them technicians.
Yes.
I know mechanic though is what a lot of people know as the proper term, but this is the blue outline of the white P there is going to be indicative of your parking assist. So it's going to help you find a parking spot and park for you or with you. So that's spectacular.
Is the exhaust on loud?
No, it's not.
I think it is, huh? Oh, now it rumbles.
You would know.
Okay.
Okay. Ready for a quick
Yeah, we need to watch for that here. Okay. What a nice rumble. But not annoyingly loud, you know?
No, you just feel so powerful. I know that was kind of weak, but I do have a car coming towards me and I'm very mindful of that. So please excuse me, Algie.
Marianne had never a speeding ticket in her life.
No.
Never went to jail, never had a speeding ticket, never got in trouble with the law.
I know no one believes that,
Yes.
but it's actually true. So I am
That's
very...
no fact. That's 5 facts about her life.
Yeah.
Go one more time.
You know, somebody asked me one time for a question and answer sesh, and I think I should do it because I think that there would be a lot of surprises for, you know, who I really am. I'm going to go ahead and stop, turn around, and then we can do another acceleration.
Okay. it's a good rumble.
Oh,
And it's
you
not
missed it.
annoying.
When you said the word rumble, it was going pop, 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 pop. But it's also in economy mode and not in sport. So that is my bad. I'm going to change it one more time. One more quick one. For those who like to see me accelerate,
Yes.
they're excited over this video, that's for sure.
It's enough power. And it stops.
I just love the sound being sauce. It's so sick and so much
Give
fun.
us a call.
Yeah, don't miss out on this amazing Sl550. How many do you find with these Roadsters with that exhaust management where you can turn it on, you can turn it off, and although you have a lot of horsepower and pick up to the vehicle, it sounds and looks even better.
Triple black with
Yeah.
a banner and cold seats. So
Triple black keeps it mysterious and super sexy.
Yeah.
in my
And
opinion.
AMG sports package.
Package?
Package.
Package? Can you say
the whole package.
Can you say February for me?
Cool exhaust system of this 2014 SL. Hit the gas. Now open. What says a Mercedes can rumble?
If you like sound and you like speed, you don't want to miss out on this Sl550 with that exhaust sound management. Just by a click of a button, you can make it go from mild to wild. Make sure you give us a call at 239-263-8500, AutoHausNaples.com. It will have your full listing details, pricing, along with our current inventory should this vehicle be sold. My name is Marianne. I showcase the vehicles for you guys here, and I also sell them in the dealership, and I will see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
Yay!